The equipment that we get to operate, the sites that we get to see, it's beautiful out here. It's interesting to work here at the ranch because one day we'll be driving a tractor and taking care of the land and baling hay, and the next day you may be horseback gathering up a few hundred head of cattle.
It's grown considerably since I've started working here. Got about 10,000 acres, 8,000 of it's cattle, 2,000 high fence game ranch.
We have upland hunts, multiple lakes that we have to fish in, any kind of game that you would want to hunt. We have a big variety of equipment that we have to keep operating here at the ranch. We have about 26 farm tractors alone, not just farm equipment, but we have skid steers, dozers, motor graders that we have to keep going, over-the-road trucks, pickups. So much to get done. We can't afford for it to be down. We're obviously looking for the best for our equipment. We had already been using the Mobil lubricants, the engine oil and the hydraulic oil in our equipment. When we were approached with this opportunity to try out this Mobil Diesel Efficient, we were interested in testing it out and seeing what we could get out of it.
All these tractors are fairly new, and I was wanting some good quality fuel to run in them. If they're burning cleaner, they're not regenning as often. That seems to be a lot of our problem.
They agreed to come out and pull the injectors out and test the injectors.
They pulled the injector out of one of our tractors. We ran that tractor for about 65 hours, a very short time. And when we come back and pull the injector back out of it, and we could see some, sure enough, improvements on the injector as far as cleanliness.
Well, what the cleaner injectors show us is that you're getting cleaner combustion in the cylinder chamber, which is a cleaner running engine and a more efficient engine because of that. And that's going to take a load off of the after-treatment system that are on these vehicles, which means less money in the future for us on maintenance-wise.
The engine is burning cleaner. I feel like that's going to be less downtime.
These are new state-of-the-art engines that require a new generation of fuel to be able to keep up with the technology in the engine, and I think that we found that with Mobil Diesel Efficient.